The next question we'll be seeing on the pattern basis. The pattern is something like this. I want a pattern like this: A B, A B C D, A B C D E. If the user is giving me E, then I have to print this pattern. What if the user is giving you D? Then you have to give this pattern: A B C and A B C D. So यहाँ पे बीच में आ जाएगा A B C as well, right? So till D you have to give me here. What if the user is giving the B? So you will give A and A B. This is the pattern I want from you. So how to do this pattern? Let's see that. If you have seen my video like of the order and stuff, so you'll be knowing that order and character, ORD and CHR. So I'll be using the same approach here. So I'll be receiving the input from the user first. I will say num. I'll say in P. In P is equal to input. I have to take the string from the user, so I'll use here input, and I will say here enter. That's it. And then what I will do is I will use here for loop, right? So I will say for I in range. कहाँ तक आपको जाना है? So you have to go till this in P. If the user is giving the D, so I will go till D here. So what I will use here is okay, I will use here this is a string here, right? But you know the range function is taking the numeric value, right? So if the user is giving you here D, if the user is giving you here D, so how you get the numeric value of D here? How to get the numeric value of D here? So can I say that it is ORD of D? Yeah, I will say INP here because D is stored in INP. I will say order of INP plus 1, because if I am saying D here, the D will be the stopping condition, right? So one more thing, you know that this A is starting from 65. This A is starting from 65. So I will say here from 65 will be my initial condition till order of D plus 1. I hope you understood this thing, why I am doing this thing. If you are not able to understand it, there is a couple of questions on the pattern. Just watch them first, then see this pattern. Then I will say for J in range. Again here you will say here you will start from the 65 itself, and you will go till I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because if here you were initially he will be A, but here it should be B at that time, right? So that you can print A here. This will be the stopping condition B here, right? And here what I will say is print, and what I have to print is 65 I am getting, but what I should print? Character of 65. So I will say character of I, right? And after that I will say comma break name. What I will say and equal to, and here I will say space, right? So see, one thing will happen here, and after that I will show you. Let me give here D itself, capital D, and you are getting the pattern here A B. Oh sorry, यहाँ पे you don't have to print I, you have to print J here. And let me give the thing now. I am giving the D here, and you are getting A B, A B C, A B C D, right? So but after the A it should come to the new line. That means after this for loop is running, I have to break this print statement, because print is still saying and is same line with the spaces. I have to break this. I will break it with the print itself and call it bracket. And you know that by default every print is having this end, and by default end value is \n, which means the new line. That means after you are completing this for loop, you are going to the new line. Now if I will run it, and again I will give here D, capital D, and this is the pattern you are getting here. What if I will give here let's say F, capital F, and this is the pattern you are getting here. What if I will say X, capital X, and this is the pattern you are getting here, right? So I hope you understood it. So what is happening here, if I need to explain it to you? So I am saying for I in range 65, I know capital A is starting from the 65, because the ASCII value of the capital A is 65, and here this input I am having D here. I know the range function is taking the numeric values, so I have to convert it to the numeric value here. What I am saying, order of in P, whatever the input you are giving, give me the numerical value of that. That means the D numerical value is 78 or 79 ऐसे करके, तो यहाँ पे 78 या 79 आएगा plus 1, because that will be the next one will be the my stopping condition. And here I am saying for j in range 65 till I. So here initial value of I is 65. We know A is 65. So that means here it will come the 65. Yani kind of A will come here. So A plus 1. That means I have to make here D, right? So that means here it will become 66. And initial value of j is 65. I am saying character value of j. Yani character value of 65. It will give the A, right? And remain the same line. So from here again you are going back. Now increment by default will be here 1. That means j will be now 66. Now you will check, is 66 less than 66? No, condition false, and you will print the new line coming back here. Now I will be here 66, right? I will be here 66, and again you will check for j will again start from the 65, and here you will be having 66 plus 61, that's 67. That means this loop will run 2 times. So I have explained the one pattern in this, see that, and hope you will understood that. Okay, one more question here. Since this is just for the capital letters, what if you have to do for the small letters? So at the time what you have to do is you have to check one condition here. I'll say here if inp dot is upper, if it is uppercase, oh sorry, inp dot upper, and here is upper, oh no, we have to check it whether it is upper or not. Alright, I will say is upper, sorry, upper upper, and I will give the braces here. And if it is upper, so what I will do is I will perform this operation. Else what I will do is, else I will perform it for the small ones, and I will copy the same code here, Control C, and here I will paste it, Control V, and what I need is I need here value of this 97. So you can keep here 97 directly. If you don't know what is the value here, don't keep the 97 here, just keep here order of order of small a. So it will directly give here the value, and here again I will say what, from order of small a, right? And this will work now here. Now if I run this program, and just I'm giving here small a here now, it is just giving the a, oh sorry, correct, it will give the a. What if I give here small, let's say G, and this is the pattern it is giving, right? So if I use the capital ones, it will give me the capital pattern, same code, it is giving the capital pattern, and for the smalls it is giving the small pattern. So I hope you understood this question as well. Thank you, see you in the next one.